Hello everyone. Nature always holds mysterious wonders that leave us in awe. Let's explore fascinating moments captured in today's compilation and see how many of them you've witnessed firsthand. Let's get started right away. Bird migration season is always the time when we witness the most amazing scenes of them. Spectacular sight of flocks of cormorants migrating to Shenzhen, China for their annual wintering. Those people on that boat were so lucky. Sometimes those spectacular scenes are not a migration. They are a warning of impending natural disasters, typically earthquakes. A large number of birds appeared in the sky over Japan just before the Nagasaki earthquake in December 2023. Beautiful meteor recorded in the sky of Vietnam on December 27, 2023. The sun, the source of energy that gives life to the earth, also causes many interesting phenomena. This space-like scene was recorded in Inner Mongolia at -30 degrees Celsius. In fact, this phenomenon is scientifically called sundog, due to the refraction and scattering of sunlight by ice crystals in the atmosphere. Rainbow clouds and iridescent clouds are also among similar phenomena. Haba Snow Mountain and its amazing beauty every November. Incredible lenticular clouds in Patagonia, Argentina on December 27, 2023. Strange cloud carpet in the Guangdong night sky on December 29, 2023. Incredible scene at Ecological Road in Dali, Yunnan. Not only on land, the deep ocean also contains many wonders waiting for humans to discover. Are you ready for today's scuba diving trip? Whale shark, one of the ocean's most docile sharks. Although humans are not food for whales, we still have to be careful sometimes to avoid unwanted incidents. She was lucky that there were no swordfish around to target that school of fish. When humans are in harmony with nature, it is something that can satisfy anyone. A testament to the intelligence of dolphins. The dolphin in the back is guiding the two dolphins in front to sleep. Half of the dolphin's brain will sleep, while the other half of the brain helps them continue breathing. Wild race. What predator is below them? What will you do when standing among the flower forest created by these barnacles? Not only beautiful and mysterious, nature also contains terrible powers that humans cannot control. Incredible footage of an underwater earthquake recorded at Banda Beach, Indonesia in November 2023. Fortunately, there was no tsunami. Volcanoes are also a geological activity that often accompanies earthquakes. Iceland, the land of fire and ice. A fire tornado was filmed tearing apart a house near Tennant Creek, Northern Territory. Ice mushrooms, the perfect description of how stalactites form. Have you ever tried them? Pumice, the only rock that can be connected above water, is formed when volcanoes erupt on land or underwater. Phaeocystis globus algae is the main cause of red tides on beaches. Omuroyama volcano in Shizuoka, Japan. It seems I have found the cause of global warming.
Thing exploded and now this is in the sky. Oh, look, look, look. What is that? What is that?
Oh my goodness.
Oh my God. Something exploded. What is that? I gotta record this. What is that? Oh, it left. The light left. What the fuck?
The beauty of snowflakes under the decorative lights of the building. Tornadoes come in many forms, of which dust devils are the least dangerous. We can easily approach them and sometimes be toyed with by them. First time I saw a tent festival. Would you like to join it? The cloud caps of the mountains. Beautiful sea of clouds flowing through a canyon in Giju.
Holy shit, look. Oh my God.
Not only during the day,
Oh my
at
God.
night when the sun is no longer shining, we can also witness other interesting phenomena
This is
related to the
ridiculous.
sun.
Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
And aurora is the most typical phenomenon.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
The northern lights are completely visible in Lofoten, Norway on November 6th, 2023.
Oh my God.
Another phenomenon that is less common is the light pillar. It is an optical phenomenon that occurs when light reflects off ice crystals in the air. It creates columns of light across the sky, usually appearing at night. Skeleton-shaped clouds in the sky over San Pedro, Honduras.
Válgame la Virgen Santísima, pues ¿qué es eso, José? Mira. ¿Qué es eso? Se está partiendo el pinche ¡ay, hijo de su chingada! Mira,
Tyndall effect, the combination of sunlight and dust particles or water vapor in the air. Don't let your eyes fool your mind. Wonderland in Ili, Xinjiang, where the sea meets the clouds.
와, 超正。
One of the most perfect rainbows I have ever seen. Strange light streak recorded in the sky of Xinjiang in December 2023.
这是什么光？
Have you ever wondered why they are so evenly spaced? The dry weather has caused forest fires to start in Angsi Mountain. Massive flash floods were recorded in Ichinoscho, Wajima City, Ishikawa Prefecture after the earthquake on January 3, 2024. Collapse of glacier domes in Antarctica. A hot springs on the Qiantang Plateau. Iceland, known as the land of fire and ice, has many unique wonders that will make you wonder if they are real. Snowy mountains from a drone. Taklamakan Snow Desert. Zanda County, Tibet Autonomous Region in the snowy season. Magical trees appear when the tide recedes at Chayantang River. Cloud Waterfall in Dalat, Vietnam.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Rare pink dolphin captured by locals in Kinju, Guangxi Sea on August 15, 2023. The seagulls are enjoying their party. Race between athletes on land and in the water. The crazy scene of snow geese that people living in the Pacific Northwest witness every year. Sardine waves hit Masim, Philippines, January 7, 2024. This helplessness is like trying to drink milk with a fork.
龙津大道，龙津大道什么情况？怎么这么多鸟飞在这里？
A large number of starlings flooded into Tianjin on October 30th, 2023. Fortunately, this was a migration and not a sign of any natural disaster. The race of sharks. Sea lions shelter around tourist boats to avoid being chased by killer whales. An upgraded version of the ferret Ferris wheel. Is this a hummingbird? No, it's a moth. The scientific name is Macroglossum stellatarum.
这是的老凤阿姐，它也要来吃。
Sandpipers, one of the cutest birds. When you go fishing and just look at this helplessly. A large cloud shelf appears over Sydney Airport ahead of a huge storm on November 30th, 2023.
Nossa, olha isso. Chuva chegando aqui. Olha como que tá. Metade chovendo já, metade de Sorocaba já tá chovendo.
Вот это ураган! Я такого никогда не видел. Это что, мама? Ах ты ёб!
Is this the door to God? A school of razorfish with their strange way of feeding like dancing.
아 그렇다고 이래 갑자기? 왜 이래? 저기도 다 이래요. 야 설마 저기 둥둥 떠다니는 거 사람이냐? 그건 또 호러 아니냐? 야 근데 물고기 왜 이래?
Even the cat was surprised.
안경 중에 제일
What a perfect shot. Mazatlan Beach a few days ago. Do you know what this is? Let's enjoy winter in Harbin. bridge across Tin Hai Bay in winter. This is the end of the video. Hope you like it. Please leave your feeling in the comment section below. See you in the next videos.